Hi everyone, I'm Lada from FlippingBook and I'll walk you through our built-in analytics. When you create any type of content, you need to know how it performs and how your audience interacts with it. The more insights you get, the better you can optimize your content for your benefit. That's why FlippingBook equips you with different types of stats for your flipbooks. I'll tell you about their value in this video, and you can jump to any section of the video that interests you the most. So, you can learn all about your flipbook by going into its View Stats dashboard. There is a lot of things to track here. Let's start with Flipbook Performance. These stats show you how people interact with your content. For instance, how many views and visitors your content got within a selected time period. Your views can peak or drop on specific days of the week, so you can adjust your content distribution strategy based on these data. You can also learn how many times your content was downloaded, shared, and printed using the controls in your flipbook. This shows the value of your content for your audience, how much they want to keep and share it. And the stats on logo clicks tell you how much traffic your flipbook generates to your site, so you should probably customize the logo for the best results. Plus, if you set up a call to action button, you can ask people to book a demo, call you, visit a web page of your choice, or anything else. You can then track the clicks in your View Stats dashboard. Now let's move on to audience engagement. With FlippingBook's advanced analytics, you will learn what excites your readers the most. Analyze which pages drive engagement. Are your videos and articles as informative as you think? And do people consider your flipbook worth their time? If you think they're not spending enough time on each page, you might want to add interactive elements like GIFs and pop-up images to boost engagement. And don't forget to check which outbound links people click. Let's say you have clickable ads in your flipbook. It's a great way to track the value your partnerships generate for you and your readers. Next is devices. It's vital to know how your audience views your content. Today, most traffic comes from mobile devices, so make sure your flipbooks are optimized for viewing on smaller screens. Go for larger fonts, fewer paragraphs, and bolder headlines. And keep in mind that videos can't autoplay in mobile browsers, so it's a good idea to add a play icon on top of your video in our editor. With FlippingBook's advanced analytics, you can also learn where your audience comes from. You'll see the countries, regions, or cities that drive the most traffic to your flipbooks. Say you distribute your catalogs in France. Wouldn't it be great to know which regions of France bring you more clients? You can then run targeted advertising across the regions where your clients actually are. If you want to use your flipbooks for lead generation, all of your leads will be available in one convenient dashboard. Collect any data you need, learn when a lead submitted their info and how engaged they were in the content. You can then export the leads to analyze them further, or even set up a Zapier integration to send them directly into your CRM. Last on the list is search queries. These stats help you understand what exactly your audience expects to find in your content. When a person uses our built-in search tool, you'll know what they looked for. If you notice multiple similar searches or an especially popular keyword, you might want to cover that subject in your flipbook. But that's not all. For more in-depth insights, you can use our filters. For example, you can track how unique visitors interacted with your content on tablets. And you can export any stats you want and share them with your team. Whether you're already using FlippingBook's built-in stats or you're just getting the hang of it all, hope this video helps you in your content tracking efforts. And thanks for watching!